Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Jess. I'm 35 from Melbourne and I am a self-proclaimed makeup hoarder and proud of it. Today I'm excited because I'm hopefully going to look from this to this. Yes, to using all drugstore products. After I film this, obviously. I'm doing a full face of only drugstore makeup that I've been using as my base lately. So yeah, I wanted to take you through it, what I do. Let's do this, shall we? First off, I just want to say that I've already primed. Technically, I don't really prime. I just use a moisturizer. I feel like primers don't really do a lot for me other than smooth everything out, and a good moisturizer is going to do that anyway. So that's what I do a little bit beforehand, before doing my base, so it gives it time to sink in. For my eyebrows, they're looking a little bit dark at the moment, but I used the MCO More Brow and Tattoo pen thing. They're really good. I like them a lot. You can get them at Woolies. Dive right on in and start with the foundation. For foundation, every time I pretty much do my makeup these days, I use the BYS Full Coverage. It's $11.95. It's really affordable. I believe you can get it at Kmart and Cosmetic Capital, as well as BYS's own website. I've also got the matching concealer that I've been loving. So we're going to put these two on my face, and I'm also using a BYS brush for it. I've been using this now for a good couple of months, and it's a really good, on me, long-lasting foundation. I've heard different things about the full coverage one. For some people, depends on your skin type, I guess. It doesn't work for them, but I think as long as you use a good serum beforehand or moisturizer, you're good to go. I have dehydrated, oily skin. And I love the way that this buffs out. And if I have to do makeup quick, this is generally what I grab. One layer. You can see it's not like bam, a full coverage, but it builds up really nice. My neighbor's dog is barking. And it's a good yellow undertone, which I like, and it's actually pale enough for me. Yeah, it's building up quite nicely. It's not cakey looking. Generally do about 2.5-ish pumps. And I don't do like a full pump either. I like to take a little bit of time on my foundation. And whenever it doesn't cover, because I do see a little bit of redness peeking through, I'll use the concealer. I do forget to say this is the makeup that I do quickly, just to feel more human if I'm in like a kind of mode. This is what I do to make me feel more human. So the concealer is $8.95. It's just such a good concealer. It's hydrating. It has hyaluronic acid in it. Same with the foundation. I just like how it smooths everything out and plumps out the skin, like it's a good skincare routine almost. This is just such a great duo. They work really well together and are super affordable. I really like. Setting my base, I'm going to take, this has been my absolute favorite lately, by Mud Makeup. It's their translucent setting powder, the pressed one. Been using it so much lately when I do my makeup, and I love it. It just sets everything down so well, but you can still see the radiant glow. Such a good, affordable powder. The bronzer I've been loving is actually the MCO Beauty Natural Matte Bronzer. No, just Natural Bronzer. Kind of reminds me of the Rimmel one. Do you guys remember that one? Actually a gorgeous bronzer. It's pigmented, not patchy. And I like to take my bronzer more up here on the side of my face because it's more youthful. And I kind of pat and blend because it gets the pigment on, but you get the same amount of control when you blend it doing it this way. Just such a pretty bronzer. I kind of use it like contour because it's a nice shade. And again, it's not pigmented like bam in your face, but it just goes on nicely and you can build it up how you want. For a blush, I've got a really good palette. It's the Essence Fall Back to Nature Highlight Blush Palette. I've had this one for a while now. I believe you can still get it at Target, but if not, Essence always does really good blushes. Dip into that one. Oh, okay. Again, I like to put my blush up a little bit up and further back than say there because I do have a round face. You're still getting colour on your face, but it's a little bit more youthful looking, I feel. So I'm going to do my lashes real quick. I've got the Essence Maximum Definition Waterproof Mascara. I really like this one. You can see the difference it makes to the one eye, and that was just the one application. This is just such a beautiful highlighter palette. It's absolutely beautiful. I have been liking the Shake and Glow one by L'Oreal. That is such a nice setting spray, and I got that from Chemist to Warehouse. Camera, can you just stay? Last but not least, I have this e.l.f. Lippy. It's the new satin, Seriously Satin one. It's a little while ago now. This is generally what I do to fix myself up, to make myself feel a little bit more human. If I'm going out to groceries or whatever, or a doctor's appointment, it's a natural enough makeup look where you're not going to feel out of place, but you're still going to look more polished, I feel. Using all drugstore makeup. And yeah, I love it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I'll see you guys soon.